In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Zoho People. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can get up and running in about 5 minutes. First, you need to start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. You can use any search engine you're comfortable with. Once you've done that, look for the Zoho site link. Typically, this is the first link that comes up in your search results. Alternatively, make sure you select the link with zoho.com as its URL to ensure you're on the correct site. This will bring you to Zoho's homepage. Once you're on Zoho's website, you'll need to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, simply input your credentials and log in. If you're new to Zoho, don't worry. Signing up is a straightforward process. Just follow their prompts to create your account and you'll be set in no time. Once you're logged in, look for the Applications menu. You'll see a variety of Zoho services, and from there, select People. This is where you can manage all of your employee-related information. With Zoho People open, you'll want to navigate to the Services section located within the app. Under Services, you'll find an option labeled Employee Information. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to manage the details of all employees currently listed. Now, you'll see an option to Add Employees. Click on this button, and it will take you to a form where you can input new employee details. Begin by entering the basic information for your new employee. The system will prompt you to enter essential details such as the employee's name, their unique employee ID, the date of joining, and their work email address. Ensure that this information is accurate, as these fields are crucial for creating their profile. Following that, you'll need to fill in additional required information. This includes the department they will be working in, their designation, and any salary details as needed. There may also be fields for personal information, so take this time to fill in any and all relevant data prompted by the system. Once you've completed all the necessary fields and reviewed the information for accuracy, you're ready to finalize the process. Double-check everything you've entered and then proceed to save the employee's profile. By doing this, you've successfully added a new employee to Zoho People. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add an employee using Zoho People. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you as you manage your growing team. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to reach out to Zoho support.